Alrighty, Dave, here's your 489 big block Chevrolet. Your description is combination. It's got a set of our ass casket on it, a Brock manifold. You've got the quick fuel carburetor, custom grind hydraulic roller, marine oil pan. This is all set up for twins in your boat. We'll go in there and make a run. See what she does. Stay tuned. Okey-doke, 3,500, 562 foot-pounds of torque. Peak torque 576, peak horsepower 584. So everything good. What we'll do now is pull the pipes back, make sure they're good and clean, and show you a couple of things here. Receive your engine. Find this thing looks like a credit card. It's USB card. It is full of technical information. On the engine will be this tag. It'll have your engine number, some other specs. Flip it over. It's got a QR code that'll take you some other tech stuff. Highly recommend watching all this. Have a great day.